Hello friends, welcome to Crispy Crunchy Cooking. So today I am making a Irish salad and very famous mashed potato recipe, and you are going to love it because they are very healthy and so easy to make. And you know, potato is a staple food of Ireland, and why I'm making this because one of my subscribers stays in Ireland. He has his own channel and he's very supportive, very kind by nature, and I'm sure you are definitely going to like the recipes. And today's question is that in my whole video I have taken the name of one continent, so kindly listen carefully and tell me the name of that continent. And before watching the video, let's see who that subscriber is. So friends, let's meet Mr. Scott. He is from Ireland and he has a very wonderful channel about organic farming. So let's see about his channel. So friends, this is Cuckoo's Cottage channel by Scott, and he lives in Ireland. Earlier his channel name was North Coast Organic because he was living in the coastal area. And this channel is all about organic farming, and you can see a lot of potato, carrot and cherry harvest over there, and the use of natural fertilizers. So all those plant lovers can join his channel and learn a lot from him. So thank you, Scott, for being so supportive and kind. I wish you all the best, and I would like to see a lovely garden, kitchen garden over there with lots of flowers, vegetables and so many butterflies, bees and many other things. So thank you. So friends, as you know, today we are making Irish salad. So I'll tell you the ingredients. This is cucumber, boiled beans and purple cabbage. These are boiled eggs. Then these are tomatoes, and we have taken lettuce. And for boiled mashed potato recipe, we have taken boiled potatoes, and these are spring onions, and these are coriander leaves. And I'll tell you how to make the dressing, or you can say a sauce for the salad. And most important, this is lettuce. So friends, for the dressing, or you can say sauce, we will take olive oil in good quantity. Then we'll add some vinegar in it. You can take any, and now I'll tell you what we will add more in it. So friends, now we'll add salt. You can add according to your taste, and now we will add black pepper in it, and you can add oregano and few coriander leaves in it. And now we will add some lemon juice. I'll take out the seeds. I think this is enough. And now we will mix it well. So our sauce or dressing is ready for the salad. Okay friends, now we will decorate the salad. We have taken lettuce. These are cucumber. See, if you are going for a weight loss and all that, the salad is very good for health. And now we will take, these are boiled beans. You can make any design you like. And now I would like to add these boiled eggs. Since we have taken this purple cabbage, and we will put it over here. and in the end we'll add tomatoes. Actually cherry tomatoes are used. If you don't have, you can use the regular tomatoes which are available at the market. So our salad is ready, and now we'll put the dressing over it. Those who are fond of wine, they can put Irish wine also in it. Otherwise, you can make the sauce like this only. It's full of nutrition and very good for health. So, our salad is ready. See, it's so easy and it took no time. So friends, now we will mash these potatoes. Just mash them as much as you can, okay? So now I'll tell you what to do next. So we have taken a pan and we have taken butter in it, and now I'll add these mashed potatoes. It's very easy, it will take no time. And in that you will add some spring onions also. So friends, now we will add cheese or mayonnaise in it, and then I'll add some coriander leaves. Then I'll put some amount of salt in it. Now I'll add some black pepper, and now we will mix it well. So friends, our mashed potato recipe is ready, and in the end we'll add some lemon juice in it, and I'll sprinkle some chaat masala. Oh sorry, I'll sprinkle some chaat masala in it. And in the end we'll put this dressing over here. Wow. So friends, look at this. It's looking so tempting. It seems to be very simple, but when you will eat, you will like it definitely, because it's my own experience when I went to Europe trip, and everything was non-veg available, and in one of the restaurant I was able to get this mashed potato recipe, and I was feeling so good. I was overwhelmed, and I eat it in just 2 bites only because I was so hungry. So do try it at home and tell me how you find it, okay? So friends, see, so healthy, tasty, our salad is ready. You can, all those who are going for weight loss should eat this, because it's full of proteins, veggies, minerals and vitamins, and you without any frying anything at all. And this is a very easy recipe. Mashed potato recipe. Do definitely make at home and tell me how you find it. Next time I'll try to bring a more amazing recipe. Take care. Goodbye. Have a nice day. Love to you all.